Aloe vera is a plant that has thick leaves with a gel-like substance inside of them. Aloe vera gel is cooling and soothing when applied to the skin, which is why it's sometimes used to treat burns and skin wounds. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Some claim it has another application besides its skin benefits. It can actually strengthen your hair and make your scalp healthier. Aloe vera is safe for most people, and the best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. You can scoop it out of leaves cut fresh from a live plant. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged dry hair. After letting it sit for an hour, rinse the gel off with a mild shampoo. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you benefits of aloe vera for your hair. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics shows that more of our viewers are not subscribed members. Your subscription means a lot to us and inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. When you get into our listing of aloe vera benefits for your hair, at number 1 we will find it keeps dandruff at bay. Aloe vera helps in healing dry skin, fungal infections and excessively oily skin. All these are significant causes of dandruff. It is one of the natural ways to get rid of dandruff. Number 2. It calms an itchy scalp. Just as how it moisturizes the skin, aloe vera helps to condition the hair and soften it. Regularly applying aloe vera gel to the hair and the scalps help to maintain the vitality of the hair and its shine. Seborrheic dermatitis is the clinical term for the condition we call dandruff. The symptoms of an itchy scalp and flaking skin under your hair can be treated with aloe vera. A 1998 study found that aloe vera helped resolve the scalp inflammation and that dandruff causes. The fatty acids found in the aloe plant have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Deep cleans oily hair. Aloe vera cleanses the hair shaft efficiently, stripping off extra sebum or oil and residue from other hair products. But aloe vera doesn't hurt your hair strands while it cleans. Unlike other chemicals in hair products, aloe vera is gentle and preserves the integrity of your hair. Using aloe vera is a great way to get hair that looks healthier, shinier, and softer. Number 4. It strengthens and repairs hair strands. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. However, there are no studies that confirm conclusively that aloe vera has any benefit in preventing hair loss. Aloe vera is a popular product that people use on their skin after sun exposure. This is because of its high collagen content and cooling properties. The vitamin content in aloe vera suggests that it might work to repair sun damage to your hair too. Number 5. It may promote hair growth. When your scalp has been cleansed and your hair has been conditioned with aloe vera, you might see that hair breakage and loss slows down. There are plenty of people who claim that aloe vera actually causes hair to grow much faster, but as of now there is little clinical evidence to prove or disprove these claims. Like skin reproduction, aloe vera gel helps in activating new hair growth as it increases blood circulation to the scalp. It also provides essential minerals and vitamins. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that help repair dead skin on the scalp, so aloe vera works as a great remedy for scalp problems in women and men. Now we know its benefits, let's see how we apply it to the hair. Individuals interested in aloe vera for hair care can choose from a wide variety of ways to apply it, ranging from the homemade to the mass-produced. Some people like to apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to their scalps. To do so, first, cut a leaf from a live aloe vera plant. Then using a spoon, collect the gel, or some like to blend it with coconut or olive oil. Then rub the gel or mixture directly into the scalp and let it sit for an hour. Use a mild shampoo to wash the hair and the scalp. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week as needed. Since some people are sensitive to aloe vera, it is best to proceed cautiously and try rubbing a small amount of the gel onto the wrist first to see if there is a reaction before applying it to the scalp. Hair masks are also a popular way to use aloe vera for hair care. In this approach, aloe vera is mixed with one of the following: honey, jojoba oil, egg whites, or fenugreek. The mixture is then massaged into the scalp and hair. A shower cap is worn and the mixture is left on for 15 minutes to 1 hour, after which it is rinsed off with a mild shampoo. Now let's have a look at the risks and warnings for aloe vera. There is usually little cause for concern when using aloe vera gel, but some people are allergic to it. Before using aloe vera topically, do a patch test. Rub a small bit of aloe vera on the inside of your wrist and wait up to 2 hours to see if your skin reacts purely. This will let you know if you have an aloe sensitivity. You should also be careful with topical aloe if you are using hydrocortisone cream on your skin. Aloe vera can increase the amount of cortisone that's absorbed by your skin when the two are used together. Well, reviewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting benefits of aloe vera for your hair, how to use it, and the risk factors. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.